Hi everybody, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. Today I am decorating my Erin Condren with these gorgeous stickers. They are from the Cozy Season sticker kit from Peaches and Pine Studio. And I love these pastel blues and brown tones. They actually go perfectly with November. In my Erin Condren, November is like this blue color. And so I was like, wow, this actually goes quite well. So now these stickers are made with regular matte paper. They are quite a bit thinner than the stickers I've been using from Cricut Paper Co. But I feel like it's almost easier to use them because you can use regular pen on them. Here I'll be using a Pilot fine liner actually for most of these stickers. And so always my first step, I think I said this last time, my first step, because I know exactly where they go, are the date headers. So I put them at the top, covering up any of the black print in the Erin Condren. Then I go ahead and I put the washi tape strips down below. If the sticker kit I'm using does not come with washi tape strips, I will use some of my own washi tape. And I just find that it adds that decorative something to your kit. But when they come in the sticker kits themselves, obviously it's tailored to that color palette, so it does make it look quite cute. And then I went ahead and used all of these covers just to cover up that blue in the Erin Condren, and it kind of goes with the color scheme. So here what I do when I add the decorative boxes in, I try to keep the colors with that row, if you know what I mean. So for instance, Monday, Thursday, Sunday is dark blue, Tuesday, Friday is that light blue, and then Wednesday, Saturday is that brown color. So I mean, you can't really go wrong though, because all of these stickers match so nicely. The color palette is very beautiful. So I get my decorative boxes laid down, and then what I do is I focus on when I have work days. So generally, I'll put all of my YouTube videos, I'll put my blog down, and then I kind of go in and I fill it up. I think sometimes I get lucky because I fill it up with all of the remaining things I need to do during the week. And also the bar on the left is a perfect spot actually for me to put any important things or tasks I need to do that week. I always write a reminder for myself for the week after. And then this time I decided to put goals because there are some random things on this week that aren't necessarily scheduled for a particular date, but I do have to get to them sometime this week. So I will fill most of those out as I go, and it works perfect that way. So here you'll see I am using a Sharpie Ultrafine marker just to fill in the dates. I don't have to, I can just use any marker, but for some reason I had it in my head that I had to use a permanent marker. So I wrote in the dates instead of using stickers, and I just kind of copied the Erin Condren font underneath. And I use these quarter boxes to write in all of my videos. So the first one, I was trying to decide whether to have some of my makeup videos actually, whether I'm going to do them 2 weeks apart or every week. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have enough to do every week because once I have the baby, I probably won't be filming for a little bit. So I do have a huge Sephora VIB Rouge sale coming on the 14th. That's actually my mom's birthday too, by the way. So I'm writing that here. We actually already delivered her birthday present. She knows what it is because she'd asked for it. It was actually a bookshelf from IKEA, so it was perfect. My son will be on fall break, so he won't have school until Wednesday. And then at the bottom, I add these larger box stickers that have like the little dots. In this case, it is heart icons. And I just list all of the tasks I need to do. These tasks could be tailored to work. They could be personal. It honestly doesn't matter. I have been putting all of my work and personal and home stuff together. So I don't really leave room for those in any specific boxes. I just kind of put them wherever I have room. Tuesday is a sticker design day for me. So I don't know if I'll actually get to that many. I think I put a spot for 6 different designs. My current design that I'm planning on working on is kind of like a winter bucket list or a holiday bucket list, if you will. So that might just be something that I'll quickly draw up some designs and just see what I come up with. I also added all of my IG ideas on here for the week. So if I don't write them down, I tend not to post. So I have to be really super careful and just make sure all of that is written down. Wednesday is also a busy day. So It is my niece's birthday, along with I have to film my budget. I get that video up for Thursday, and then I have 2 blogs that I write. So I generally try to do that as early as I can in the morning, just as I'm my most productive in the morning. So that budget video will be going live on Thursday. So of course I put another of my icons there. Those are my YouTube icon stickers. And then because I ran out of the boxes with the little heart icons, I just took a plain box and I put one of these kind of list stickers down, and I wrote my list like normal. Thursday, I'll just be doing a lot of editing, and I also film my Erin Condren Decorative Plan with Me's on Thursday, which is what I did today. So moving on to Friday now. Friday is generally the day that I film my Franklin plan with me. So I do have these dedicated days to put certain things. The Erin Condren plan with me has been a recent addition, and I've really been enjoying showing you guys how I plan decoratively and using different sticker kits from Etsy and from online in general, because I feel like supporting other people on Etsy, anyone who makes homemade stickers or homemade little planner doodads, I think it's so important. I think we should support the small businesses around as much as we can. So the prenatal appointment I have is on Friday. That actually is from the Prairie Planner. So that was like a baby kind of, not wish list, but like all of the appointments and things that you might need for a baby. So I got that from the Prairie Planner. And then yes, so I have, again, IG. I have my mom over watching my daughter when I go to my appointment on Friday. Saturday, I'll be posting my Franklin video, probably have a nice quiet day at home. And then Sunday, we have my niece's birthday party. So we'll be going out to visit her. And then I'm just going to fill in the rest of this spread with some cute decorative stickers from these sheets. You'll see I have so many stickers left over after this is all said and done. And so these kits will last forever. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for checking this video out, for watching today. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Click on that bell button to be notified when I post new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, friends.